Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on my October Ipsy bag. The color of the Ipsy envelope is different because it's breast cancer month for October, so this is the color. It's really cute. I actually like it like this. And on top of here it says discover yourself, Ipsy. So with Ipsy you get 5 to 6 sample items. Sometimes depends on the item, you get a full size. In this video I just try on each item, let you guys know my opinion on each item, tell you if I like it, dislike it, all that jazz. So let's get into my October Ipsy bag. And you have one of the items already out, of course, because it cannot fit in the bag. This is how the bag looks. And if you don't know, this is Betty Boo. My niece Sasha, she loves Betty Boo. I don't know if she still loves Betty Boo, but if she does, I would definitely give this to her because it's so adorable. The back is a sequence, and the handle for the zipper, it's a B for Betty Boo. Taking the pamphlet out, it says flaunt it, and then the back it says don't forget the choice is yours. So the first item is this right here. I think the company's name is Soei. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Oh man, I just might have butchered the name. It says this adorable gel mask will make your skin glow. It's full of vitamin B3 to help minimize fine lines and wrinkles and improve dull skin, moisturizing and soothing. It nourishes and brighten your skin. It says dark circles and tired eyes making you look like a panda. Hydrogel eye mask is a cute panda print to brighten and revitalize eyes. I can't reuse it because I did my brows and this goes over my brows, so I'm not trying to mess my brows up. I will use this before I upload this video so I can record myself and tell you guys how I like it. The next item is this right here. This is from Seraphine Botanicals Camelina Plus Strobe Luminizing Primer. Tired looking skin. Oh, this is all about making your skin glow and if you have tired looking skin, so thank you. As soon as you smooth it on, this stuff boosts dull shallow complexion, leaving you looking wide awake and radiant thanks to hydrating rose hydrosol and nutrient rich camellia seed oil. Tip, it says drop primer all over your face and with your fingers or beauty sponge. Wear it over or under foundation for a overglow or alone for subtle radiance. I haven't used foundation in months. I do use a little concealer right here, but other than that, foundation I haven't used it, so I will use this alone. I'm gonna go wash my hands because I just want my hands more fresh and clean, so I'll be right back. It's not clear. It has like a pinkish gold to it, so if you look close you can see it. I do see a glow to my face. It did the job. I actually like it because it's subtle. I like this because you could use it two ways: as a primer under your foundation, concealer and all that, or on top. I don't apply foundation, so that's, you know, so whatever, but I will use this on the points on my face where I want to highlight more. So next in the bag is this little thing right here from It Cosmetics. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream with SPF 50 plus in light. Okay, so it evens out your complexion and helps calm redness with collagen and vitamins. This cream is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Place pea-sized dots on your skin and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. Add more if you need. It's easily buildable. I like this, but it's a little bit too light. I feel like just a little bit. If it was like a hair darker, it would be good for me. But still, I can, you know, I can darken this up with bronzer and all that. I think it's the first time I ever used a CC cream, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. So next in the bag is this right here. It says Betty Boo times Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. Okay, so it's an eyeliner limited edition collection in partnership with the icon beauty muse Betty Boo. Ooh, this inky black eyeliner has a precise fine tip for creating easy cat eyes, sharp wings, and more. Okay, plus it's highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Oh, okay, this does have a fine point. So this inky black eyeliner I am really liking. Since it has a fine point, it's easy to make a wing, or I made a little, I like making little wings and everything, especially since I just have nothing on my eyes. I'm gonna just do my lashes and everything. I like to do something small and simple. But you can do a dramatic wing with this. It's easy to maneuver. Also, it is very inky, so you don't have to be shaking it. It wasn't drying up on me, because usually a new eyeliner like this that has a fine point, when I'm using it, it will start drying up and I have to shake it to get the ink, but this was not happening with that. So I like this overall. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna finish my face and then I will use my last item. The last item in the bag is this right here. This is from the company called Nomad Cosmetics. It's the Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun highlighter. Super smooth, ultra blendable and buildable, so you can go for low key lit from within to an out of this world glow. Oh, this is cruelty free and vegan. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Me likey, me likey. Ooh, you see that glow? Hey, me likey. So I'm liking this. I like the package because it's like so simple but sleek at the same time, and it's cruelty free and vegan free. And then look at this glow. Like, give me that. Give it to me. Give it to me. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that is it. I'm done with the bag. I'm done with my Ipsy bag. No more items. My overall thoughts on this bag. I cannot say anything about this because, you know, I haven't used it, but I think it's so cute and I can't wait to use it. My thoughts on the items that I did use. The ones that I am loving and I know I'm gonna keep on using, honestly, are these three. And this one, it's like I like it, but it didn't wow me. But I don't hate it, but I don't love it at all either. So it's just like, I like it. It's like right in the middle. Like, yeah, okay, I'll use it when I want to use it. Hey guys, so I told you I'll be back to show you how the Panda Eye Brightening Mask looks, and this is how it looks. So my thoughts on this. I think it's adorable and weird at the same time, but to me it's just a regular mask. You know, it's just cute and fun to put on. It is cooling to the face and I like that. In the package I received 2 of these, so I only got 1 more left, and I have to wait 15 to 20 minutes for this, you know, mask. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'll be back and let you guys know how I feel afterwards. Okay, so I just peeled this off and I like it because it does give my face a little bit of a brightening to it. It's just like, you know how when you wash your face, you feel like, well, this happens to me, like when I wash my face, I feel like my face looks a little brighter. That's how I feel about this. I like that it does hydrate my face and it still leaves a cooling sensation around the mat where like the mask was on, that area. The only thing I don't like is that whatever's on this, I don't know if you can see, but like that gooiness I see right there, it's literally peeling off, and it was some on my face and it's on my hands, so that's just annoying. That's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, I like it. It's a mask to me, a face mask, so why not? So that's it. I am done with this Ipsy bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do. That helps me and I appreciate it. Yeah, if you receive Ipsy, please let me know down below what items you receive, which items you like or dislike. If you don't receive Ipsy and you want to, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.